recording?
Mm-hmm.
We got wild bird food. Why did we get this?
The sunflower.
Okay, this is the sunflowers. 40 pounds.
When he met with the group, Biden said, they spoke about, quote, how we could increase and disseminate more rapidly food shortages.
This is cracked corn, 50 pounds. This is heavy. This is the layer mix. You get 2 of these, right?
Yep.
I have at least 60 hens that should be laying. I have a flock of roughly 100, and I was getting 2 to 3 eggs in the summer, all summer long. I genuinely think it's the feed, especially after seeing so many people have the same problem, switching to a local feed and it fixing itself.
Really quick. On Saturday, an enormous commercial egg farm in central Connecticut burned to the ground for no obvious reason. Huge fire. At least 20 fire departments responded, fought the blaze for over 8 hours. More than 100,000 chickens died.
I think we need a 5-gallon bucket. Wah! This is what they say about picking the right string the first time. These are meant to be pulled open. And all the strings are all tied together. Nope. Nope. So we're going to see. I'm just going to go sunflowers, oats,
First oyster shells.
pellets, some for the mice.
Oh boy.
And cracked corn. I mix it in a small bucket because if I dump these all in the trash can, I won't be able to mix them. Oh. That's enough for like 2 of these.
Alright, put it back in.
Just a little bit of diatomaceous earth. It's more of a pesticide that they can eat. So it won't hurt the birds any, but it keeps the bugs from growing. Green gold. Working in my own shadow here. Peas and thank you. Think we can get that up again? Whatever. We'll let the snakes and the rats and coyotes eat that. We need a cement mixer.
Need it, baby, need it.
Let's go see if the chickens like it.
Hi, ladies.
What do you think? You like it? Oh, don't gang up on me.
Aw. Aw. Timothy.
I'll take that. The tripod's too high. I think they like it.
Some of them haven't figured it out yet. Noisy over there.
But they don't like to be patted.
Nope.
Oh, noisy.
Honk honk.
Right in frame. You didn't even see it.
What? Alright, let's finish this job.
So basically it's just rinse and repeat and then dump. Oh, I did not mix that well. I'll have to do that.
Okay, next bitch.
I can't put that on YouTube.
Why not? Oh, bad word.
Get us deplatformed.
What? What do you have to say? Alright. So we made our own feed. So we filled that can. What's the matter, lady? What's the matter? We filled that can. We filled this can. And there's a can way back in the corner. It's full. So we have plenty of food for the next couple months. Homemade. Okay, what are you doing with your Captain America?
In order to keep the mice and the critters out, this is the solution that we've come up with.
And it works. So
Works so
far it
far.
worked. Yep. I think in that bucket too we still have some feed.
And then to make sure we know if the critters were messing with it, put the straps on top.
Well,
This is still good food here?
I think so. I see bags of, it looks like corn.
What is this?
I bought that one before we even got them. It's supposed to help keep mites down, but I've never used it. Oh, 2 more bags of layer.
Ah, now we can find out. Guys, I didn't think I still had the bag. Somebody was asking me. You're going to have to read that on my glasses.
I can't read it.
Somebody asked what was in it, and we're going to read it to you right now.
Well, all right, wheat middlings, wheat red dog, ground corn, corn distillers, dried grains with solubles, calcium carbonate, dehulled soybean meal, salt. It looks like the word vitamin, but I don't see what next to it. Supplement, DL-methylene, vitamin A, supplement, manganese oxide, and a bunch of other words. There's zinc, biotin, vitamin D3, supplement, vitamin B12 supplement, chlorine chloride, copper sulfate, calcium, folic acid, sodium selenite. I don't know.
I'm going to try and get a picture of it, but at least we've got it. You read off. This is stuff that we bought in November, and I think it was early November. So if this has changed with this whole Tractor Supply nonsense, if this has changed, should be the old bags, because we've been producing eggs like crazy here with no problems at all. All 15 of them are laying.
But
So this
don't
is
just feed them pellets.
This is the producer's pride, 16%.
But our chickens never just get pellets. They get kitchen scraps.
They get
They
spaghetti.
get popcorn. Yeah, spaghetti has protein in it, by the way.
They get steak. They get chicken.
The crushed oyster shells every day with cracked corn and sunflower seeds. So they get a mixture of,
Everything from the kitchen comes out here.
yep, any leftovers.
Anything that goes in the garbage in the house comes out here instead.
Yep.
And
So-
they seem pretty happy. Look at them, the bucket
Yep.
in the tire.
There, yep. All right, ladies.
They like their swing too. I'm hoping this is coming out on camera because I can't see the screen at all.
I think you need to make another swing farm.
Mhm.
All right, I gotta go in and do my cooking for my work week.
All right, I'm gonna see if I can get a picture of that. If I get a picture of it, we'll put it up on the screen.
All right, and then we gotta figure out, did we really buy it in November or